Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable second image on hover on collection pages in Shopify Dawn Theme. So let's get started. What you'll need to do is open up your Shopify control panel, click on online stores, make sure you're in themes, then click on edit theme, and then go to your catalog, or you can use this upper one and click on collections and click on the default collection. If you have a custom one, click on the custom. And then select a product grid, and basically here you'll see on this menu, if you don't see this menu, just zoom out a little bit, and on the right you'll see show second image on hover. So check that, click save to save your changes, and basically you will now have second image on hover. So right now I don't have a second image, so I can't show you right now, but you get an idea. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Have a nice day.